Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete a workspace in Trello, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in my Trello workspace. I am in my board named Test1, which I've created in a previous tutorial, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete this entire workspace. Now, if I go into workspaces, as you'll see, I am in the workspace Test1. I have two of them right here, so make note of that. There are currently two of them. What you're going to want to do to delete this workspace is go into workspace settings and then click workspace settings again. You have a lot of settings over here which you can use. You can change the visibility of the workspace, and then you have Slack workspaces linking, which you can add to Slack, or you can upgrade to premium for more workspace settings. Now, what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down and click delete this workspace, and then you need to enter the workspace name to delete. I'll just name it Test1, and as you can see, I can delete this workspace. Click on delete, and now that workspace has been deleted. There is no confirmation that you need to go through, and it's just going to boot you to the workspace that you have used. As you can see, it has just disappeared, and I only have this Trello workspace which I have to work with. Then if I go into my board, as you can see, go back into workspaces, there is only one workspace available, and that is exactly all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.